Hi professionals, we have been facing waves of COVID-19 for more than a year. In spite of taking all precautions and even after taking jabs, we are getting infected from coronavirus. I have posted on LinkedIn that as a coach, I can help professionals impacted from COVID-19. I have done few such sessions. I thought that my observation in these sessions will be helpful to many, so I am sharing it through this video. Why I got COVID-19 and how you and your co-workers can help overcome fears and doubts. First, I am going to share 4 suggestions with managers and co-workers of impacted professional, and then I am going to give answer to difficult questions posed by impacted professional. So do share my video in your network, and if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, then please do it. Managers and co-workers, if you have a team member impacted due to COVID-19, then please adhere to these 4 points. First, don't share COVID-19 related jokes. Even though the purpose of sharing such jokes is to lighten the mood, but it is not amusing to the impacted professional. COVID-19 is a harrowing experience. It is not a joke. Please don't share it. Second, show concern with empathy, not curiosity. I can understand that you want to know more details about the illness for your own knowledge, but sometimes curiosity crosses a red line and it might be taken as schadenfreude by the impacted professional who is recovering. Genuine concern with empathy is the right way to approach. So be sensitive to the texts and the words. Third, stop sharing bad news. You can share all information, including if any other co-worker is getting impacted due to COVID-19, but don't share serious cases and death-related news. Fourth, extend helping hands. Manager, you need to assure that the health comes first and they should not worry about the work. Try to provide as much help from the company as possible, and please take care of their long leaves and assure them that there will not be impact on their work and responsibility. Co-workers, keep the communication channel open and answer their queries. Share company related news and project update. This will help them to feel connected. Professionals, if you are impacted due to COVID-19, then here is my attempt to answer questions which comes to your mind. First question, why me? I have found professionals trying to find answer to this difficult question. Where they went, whom they met, was the quality of mask inferior? When they become careless, what happened to their natural immunity, and so on. Even after 1 year, you are not going to find answer. Instead, focus on 3 positive things. First, natural antibodies. Yes, you have got natural antibodies which are more reliable. After taking 2 jabs, your antibodies will be filled to the brim. Second, revisit lifestyle. This is time to look into your food, sleep and exercise habits. If you find something lacking, then take corrective steps. This is all is in your control. Steve Jobs had said, let's go, invent tomorrow rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. And third, leverage this major life experience. As a coach, whenever my client faces any challenge, I ask them, which challenge in the past comes closer to your current challenge? On knowing the answer, I ask a follow-up question. What strengths they applied in the past which they can apply now to overcome this challenge? This experience is going to help you to face future challenges with more conviction. Second question, anxiety. Marie Curie has said, nothing in life is to be feared, it has to be understood. So let's try to understand 3 anxieties. First, social stigma. Unfortunately, our society has turned social distancing into social stigma. I am going to ask 2 questions. What thoughts came to your mind when you heard somebody got impacted due to COVID-19 before you got impacted? And second question, what was the change in your outlook and behavior towards that impacted person before you got impacted? We all have to remove this social stigma, so let's set aside all such thoughts. Humanity is aghast by the mayhem played by this COVID-19 tsunami. They are not putting you under any microscope. Second anxiety, reinfection. Professionals are worried that they should not get reinfected because they just don't want to go through the same ordeal. You have only two things under control. Take proper precautions and venture out only when actually needed. This is all you can do. Third anxiety, quarantine. I have found professionals feeling intimidated or suffocated during quarantine. Spending 2 weeks all by yourself in closed room will be difficult. It will have an impact on your mood if not managed well. So don't keep your mind idle. Spend your time in certain activities at your own pace. Meditation, yoga, listening to podcasts, reading books, watching web series, and once you gain some strength, start doing some daily chores. But the most important thing is pick up phone, make voice contact with the person whom you feel free to share. Pour out all your emotions and feelings and start feeling better and lighter. These are difficult times. This shall pass too. Have faith. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.